What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. If this is your first time watching, welcome to Daily Crave, and in today's video we'll be installing my new dash cam. So yeah, today's been so busy for me. Like, this whole day has been so busy. I've just been ripping and running. Feel like I haven't stopped moving yet, but without further ado, let's just get straight into the video. Alright guys, so I have opened up the box already. I haven't really taken none out of the box yet, but here it is. It is called, I don't know exactly how to say it, but I'm gonna show you guys the name. I don't know how to say that, but let me show y'all everything that come with it. Alright guys, I'm gonna show y'all everything that come with it. I know this camera angle might be really weird right now, but it's the best that I can do as of right now, because if I put it up there it's gonna be in the way. But this is the camera. It comes with, I didn't even know this when I bought it, but it comes with 3 cameras. But you got the front facing camera, and then you got the cabin camera, and then you also have the third camera, which is right here, which is the rear view camera. I don't know how I'm gonna mount this, or if I'm gonna mount this. I might just use my cabin camera as a like reverse camera. You just have it like set up where it can look in the back mirror too as well. So I don't know how I'm gonna set this up with this. You know, the dash cam holder. Then you also have the power connection, which is right here as well, which goes into the cigarette lighter. I don't know if I can. I don't know if I want to run it through that, or do I want to like try to power it somewhere else. But we'll figure that out as we go. So yeah, let's see how we're gonna mount this up. Alright guys, so we're gonna first hook up the dash cam to the holder here, the device. I can't think of the name, but to this thing right here. Get it to go in. Okay, so let me show y'all what I mean about I don't really know where I know where I'm gonna put it at, but I gotta figure out, like, cause I gotta figure out where I'm gonna put it at. So as you can see, my banner it comes down pretty low, but not too low where I can't where it still can't be where this cannot go up or whatever. But I'm thinking I'll put it like right here, if you guys can see that. Okay guys, this is really hard to do with the camera in my hand and also placing where I want to have where I want to have this dash cam. So I'll be right back after I get through mounting where I want it at. Okay guys, I think I got my dash cam where I want it mounted at. I'm gonna see if this is a good spot, so I'm gonna try to connect it real quick and see if I want to have it right there. So I got it mounted up. It's sort of, I don't know if it's gonna focus real well on it, but it's mounted up. You can see the cabin camera right here, and then you can see the front facing camera. And I think it's lined up in a good spot of where I wanted it, because I can see my dad car way over here to the left, and I can also see my neighbor's tree to the right. I just got so much stuff in the way. So yeah, let me continue installing this and hide this cord, because right now I think I'm gonna tuck this cord and make it run to the inside, because I don't use this cigarette lighter spot right here no way. So I'm just gonna run it like over here through this side and let it come through on this side like that. So yeah, give me like 1 second. Alright guys, so I just got through installing this dash cam. I couldn't really record myself putting it in, but as you can see, the cord is running up along here all the way down and around. I gotta tuck it some back in over there, and it's going all the way down up under the glove compartment and right to this. I gotta cut off the zip ties and I gotta tuck this a little bit better, so I'll be right back. Okay, let me see. All right, guys. So as you can see behind me, we finally got the car finished up, and all of this and that. Make sure. I know this video probably is like all over the place. Me showing you the dash cam and like other little clips of here and there. I was just trying to get a video out for you guys. Just trying to make sure that I was just trying to stay active. I'm trying to stay active with posting and stuff like that for you guys. But all right, guys, so here is the front splitter that I got from eBay. It is